students, welcome to online maths class. This is your maths teacher. Dear students, today we shall start a new topic, that is properties of triangle, which is given at SB 26 in your supplementary book in concept time 12. So all of you open your supplementary book. You have 5 seconds. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope all of you have must opened the books. So first of all, here is the theorem, that is angle sum property of triangle. Here is the statement of the theorem. The sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. बच्चे कई बार इस स्टेटमेंट को कंप्लीट नहीं लिखते हैं, इनकम्प्लीट लिखते हैं, या फिर ये लिख देते हैं द एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्राइंगल इज़ 180 डिग्री. So I want to make it very much clear that angle sum property of triangle is the title of the theorem, and the statement of the theorem is the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि अगर हम कोई भी ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करते हैं उसके तीनों एंगल्स का टोटल हमारे पास कितना आता है, 180 डिग्रीज. To prove this, we shall start by writing the given. In the given, we are given with the triangle ABC, and we want to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. For this, we will draw a construction which is drawn with the blue dotted line. Through A, draw DE parallel BC. A में से पास होती हुई एक लाइन हमने ड्रॉ करनी है जो BC के पैरेलल हो. That means these two lines must be parallel. So pause the video and note down up to construction. Carrying on, we'll start writing the proof. First of all, statement BC parallel DE and AC is a transversal. BC is parallel to DE and AC is a transversal. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to angle EAC. I am again showing this Z and these two angles as these are alternate interior angles. So after writing this, you can just write here alternate interior angles. You can also write the short form of the angles, but better if you will write the complete, because copy में तो आप exercise कर रहे हो तो short form use कर सकते हो, but in the exam you have to write the full form. Okay. Moving forward, we have marked it 1, and moving forward we'll now write the next statement, that is BC parallel DE we know, and AB is a transversal. Therefore, angle ABC, I am going to mark the angle this, and is equal to angle DAB. Again, there is formation of Z and alternate interior angles. You can name this 2. Now, moving forward, as these three angles are on a straight line, angle DAB, which is marked here red, angle BAC, which is I am marking with black color, and angle EAC, which is I am marking with green color. These three angles are lying on a straight line. Therefore, the sum of all these three angles will be 180 degrees. But we have proved that angle DAB is equal to angle ABC. So, in place of DAB, I have put angle ABC. Similarly, we have proved angle EAC is equal to angle ACB. Therefore, I am replacing angle EAC with angle ACB. Hence, I am coming to the exact statement of prove. That means जो हम प्रूव करना चाहते थे वो अल्टीमेटली हम उस स्टेप पे पहुंच चुके हैं. Therefore, all the three angles of triangle which are highlighting, I am highlighting with purple color this angle and this angle of this triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So you can pause the video and complete the solution of this theorem, and make sure that you will draw the diagram and construction also. Mark the construction with dotted line. और बेटा ये थ्योरम आपके सिलेबस में भी है और इसका प्रूफ भी आपके सिलेबस में है, तो इसे आप ज़रूर करोगे. यू कैन ऑल्सो नोट डाउन द सोल्यूशन फ्रॉम SB26 इन योर सप्लीमेंट्री बुक. यहाँ पे भी इस थ्योरम का प्रूफ दिया हुआ है, तो आप यहाँ से भी नोट डाउन कर सकते हो. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, देयर इज नेक्स्ट थ्योरम, थ्योरम 8 on the same page. It is if a side of a triangle is produced. अगर हम एक ट्राइंगल की साइड को प्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ पे BC साइड को प्रोड्यूस करके D पॉइंट तक एक्सटेंड किया हुआ है, देन द एक्सटीरियर एंगल सो फॉर्म्ड, तो जो भी एक्सटीरियर एंगल बन रहा है इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द मेजर्स ऑफ टू इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट एंगल्स. तो इस एक्सटीरियर एंगल के साथ जो इंटीरियर एंगल बन रहा है उसे छोड़ के, विल नॉट टेक दिस, उसे छोड़ के जो बाकी के दो इंटीरियर एंगल्स बन रहे हैं उसके सम के इक्वल हो जाएगा ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल. दैट मीन्स दिस एक्सटीरियर एंगल विल बी इक्वल टू टोटल ऑफ दीज टू, राइट. बेटा इस थ्योरम का प्रूफ मैं आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में एक्सप्लेन करूँगी, बट पहले हम जो प्रीवियस थ्योरम की है हमने, दैट इज़ थ्योरम 7, द सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल इज़ 180 डिग्रीज, इसके बेसिस पे हम अपनी एक्सरसाइज स्टार्ट करेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 6.3 ऑफ NCERT. हियर इज़ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. साइड्स QP एंड RQ ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR are produced to points S and T respectively. PQ साइड को और RQ साइड को प्रोड्यूस किया गया है दो पॉइंट्स तक, S पॉइंट तक और T पॉइंट तक. एंड SPR एंगल आपको दिए 135 डिग्रीज एंड PQT एंगल आपको दिए है 110 डिग्रीज. बच्चे आपको फाइंड आउट करना है एंगल PRQ, this one angle which I am coloring with red color. Okay, so first of all you have to write what is given to you and what you want to find out or you want to prove. That you will get from the question. Now coming to the solution, as we are given angle PQT equals to 110 degrees, I am marking it with red color. So along with this the adjacent angle PQR is getting made. Hence angle PQT plus angle PQR gives 180 degree as their sum. The axiom followed is linear pair axiom. So we'll apply the value of PQT, that is 110 degrees, and then in the next step we'll subtract 110 from 180 to get PQR equals to 70 degrees. Hence this angle is 70 degrees. Here you can pause the video and note down the solution. But this is not complete solution. First of all, write up to this step. Moving forward, angle SPR is equals to 125 degrees, which I am marking here, and the adjacent angle to this is QPR. These two angles are adjacent and they are forming a linear pair. Therefore, their total is equals to 180 degrees. Putting the value of SPR, which is given 135 degrees, and subtracting 135 from 180 in the next step, we are getting angle QPR equals to 45 degrees. So pause the video and note down up to this step. At last, we shall apply angle sum property in this triangle, जो कि हमने अभी पढ़ी है. that is angle QPR, this, angle PQR, this, and angle PRQ, this, gives rise to some 180 degrees. Putting the value of QPR and PQR, which we have taken out in the previous steps, and adding them, we'll get 115 plus PRQ equals to 180 degrees. Pause the video and note down up to this step. Here is the final step, subtracting 115 from 180. We are getting PRQ equals to 65 degrees. What we need to find out is here in front of you, that is 65 degrees. So complete the question by pausing the video and writing these steps. Here is question number 2 in front of you. Angle X is given to you 62 degrees. Angle XYZ, which is complete angle, that is given to you 54 degrees. And there are two bisectors that are this and this. This black left hand side bisector is dividing 54 into two parts, that is 27 and 27, and this red bisector is dividing this Z angle in two parts. So where these bisectors are getting intersected each other, you have to find out that angle. Find OZY, firstly this yellow angle, and YOZ, this complete yellow angle. Okay, these two angles you have to find out. So you have to write here given, then what you want to find out. Coming to the statement, as we know, YO bisects angle XYZ. YO जो है वो XYZ का bisector है, तो obviously angle XYO, ये वाला एंगल बेटा, ये कितना हो जाएगा, XYZ का हाफ. सिमिलरली नीचे वाला एंगल आई एम मार्किंग अगेन XYO एंड OYZ. ये दोनों एंगल्स जो मैंने येलो कलर से सेपरेटली मार्क किए हैं, दीज बोथ एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल्स टू 27 डिग्री, दैट इज हाफ ऑफ XYZ. नाउ इफ वील अप्लाई एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी टू दिस फुल ट्राइंगल, ये जो बीच में OY और OZ बाइसेक्टर्स है, इनको आप थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाओ और सिर्फ येलो वाली ट्राइंगल देखो. तो इस ट्राइंगल में 62 प्लस 54 प्लस होल Z को जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगा के वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ XYZ. That comes out to be 64 degree. You can pause the video and note down up to this step. Hence, applying the same thing which we did on the left hand side bisector, as OZ is a bisector of angle Z, therefore the two angles XZO and OZY both are equals to half of XZY, that is 32 degrees. Pause the video and proceed up to this step. Finally, now we have come to know that this angle is 27 degrees and this angle is 32 degrees. So we can apply angle sum property to this small triangle to find out angle O that are mentioned in these steps. Pause the video and proceed up to this step. Finally, angle YOZ is here, that we got after subtracting the total of two small angles from 180, which is performed in this step. So angle YOZ is equals to 121 degrees. Hence angle OZY is 32 degrees and angle YOZ equals to 121 degrees. Complete the solution by pausing the video in your fair notebook. Dear students, that's all for today. We shall complete only 2 questions of exercise 6.2. Rest the questions will be done in next lecture, and there is a theorem which is exterior angle property of triangle, which I have introduced you today. We shall discuss its proof in the next lecture. That's all for today. Happy learning.